Yesterday I received an intriguing call. One of the PMP aspirants said me that he has taken PMP training 3 times, 2008, 2010 and 2016, but still he was unable to give the exam. I inquired him why is that so, and he told me after taking that training every single organization said that okay, this is your PMP roadmap, please read these books and you will be able to pass the PMP exam. There was no accountability, there was no follow-up, and the institutions even have no idea did he really give the exam or not. Now this is something that most of students have suffered. Those students who have already taken the PMP training, they don't give the exam. I did a detailed analysis on that and I found out that 90% plus students who have taken the training, they don't give the exam. Now people do say that it's not the destination, it's the journey that is important. I do disagree on that, because if I have set a destination on a Google map and I want to go there, I have to go there. Journey may be important, but the most important thing is destination. Did he really become certified PMP? And unless you are not certified PMP, you cannot get those benefits, 20 to 25% raise in salary, recognition, and the most important thing, 3 beautiful words with your name, PMP. So it's an important thing. So that's why I want to talk to you, and I want to give you an opportunity if you want to become PMP in 2022. We have an amazing program. In our program, every single student give exam within that year. 80% plus students give exam in maximum 2 months, and my goal become to make you certified in 4 weeks. Yes, 4 weeks may seem a big thing, where the normal training time is like, the certification time is like 6 months. I'm saying 4 weeks. Let me tell you. Let me link a journey or put a link of Hamas, who cleared PMP in 19 days. Then Manik, who cleared PMP in 18 days. And so many other students who cleared PMP in less than 1 month. Yes, less than 1 month. How do we do that? How we are different from all the training organizations, so many other institutions, and we are different. Yes, we are PMI ATP authorized training provider, instructor. Yes, we provide 210 cloned exam question that is real to the exam, but that is not the reason. The reason is that our program is based only on one thing: humans need humans. Humans need interaction, and according to the analysis, human needs coach. The great Muhammad Ali, he had a coach. Tiger Woods had a coach. Sachin Tendulkar, one of the biggest name in the cricket, he had a coach. Every single person who has ever achieved something worthy, he had a coach. And when you have a coach or a mentor, your path reduced. I'm not saying that you cannot do PMP without the coach or mentor. You can, you actually can, but it will take 6 months to 1 year. You may have to read PEM Book 6, PEM Book 7, Agile Guide, this, that, so many things. If you come directly to the coach, to the mentor in our program, you don't have to read any books. Yes, you don't have to read any books. If you want to read, I'll give you my own journey book, but you don't have to read any book. You actually don't have to do anything. You will be getting a customized, tailored roadmap. Yeah, a tailored roadmap designed according to your requirement. What do I mean by that? Designed according to your requirement. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have a discussion with you one-to-one, and I'm gonna see, okay, you can spend 30 minutes or 4 hours or whatever in between in this day. I don't recommend to spend more than 4 hours, because there is a law called law of diminishing return. You stop understanding anything after 4 hours. So I don't recommend spending more than 4 hours. So let's say you spend 30 minutes to 4 hours. You can't have same roadmap. And if your goal is to become PMP in 2022, and November is coming, my batch is starting on 18th of November, you can't do it by reading the books. So what I do for you, I read the books, all the books for you. I take the best material, add them into PMI ATP material. Since being an ATP, there's a limitation, you cannot remove anything, but you can add. So I added a lot of material from lot of books so that this become easier for you. I added the case study, I customized the roadmap for you. Now once I have customized the roadmap and I have given you, you may ask, what is the difference? Other people have already given me a roadmap. Okay, it may not be a customized, but still I'm not gonna follow it. Here comes the most important thing, my daily follow-up. What is daily follow-up? This is something which has made us to stand out from the crowd. There are so many training institute pass in this. There is something. That's why we made our price fix. We straightforward says we don't give discount. People says, okay, our training fee is this, and at the end you get 50% discount. There is no discount in my training because of this, because of my daily follow-up. What do I mean by daily follow-up? I'll message you, I'll call you, I'll email you, I'll WhatsApp you, whatever it takes necessary. I'll reach you out and see, hey, where do you stand? Have you completed the assignment? If you haven't completed the assignment, why? Let's do the 5 why on this. Why? And most importantly, how I may help you in doing that thing. How I can add value, how I can work with you, and how we can get this thing done in the minimum possible time. Daily follow-up, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the most important thing in your training program. Daily follow-up is something which will reduce your training program, I would say, by 70-80% time. You don't have to read a lot of material, you don't have to wait a lot of time, you just come and become PMP in 4 to 6 weeks. Now, in addition to that, one of the most important thing that students fail in the exam is because they are unable to solve hard questions of PMP. We have minimum 3 coaching calls in a week in which we sell how you can solve these hard questions of PMP. I'll guide you solve question in the pattern way, how to solve, what are the ways, what are the keywords, what are the language, and so many other things that you may need in those questions. I will help you out in understanding the question. You will solve the question and you will cross the line. Yes, every single thing in the program. Customized roadmap, daily follow-up, and most important, on which my foundation of success coaching system stands, coaching calls. So all these things are provided to you because I care, and I have set my own personal goal to get 500 PMP in 2022. So if your goal is to become PMP in 2022, you can register us. If you haven't taken that training, I do recommend that you join one-to-one mentor program. It is more customized according to your requirement. Ping me on the number given below. I will explain more depending upon your requirement. That batch program will suit you or one-to-one. And the one-to-one program you can join at any day and you can become PMP in 3 to 4 weeks. The batch program is starting on 18th of November, 18, 19, 20, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and 25, 26, 27. Why I set this specific date? So that this is the last time you have 1 month to get PMP by the end of December. In this program, I'll make sure one thing, you become PMP by the end of December. So if your goal is to become PMP, now is the time. Register in the link given below and let's make you certified PMP.